this is how you make a bird trap. So, I got 2 chopsticks, right? You can use regular sticks. I just grabbed chopsticks because they're easy to grab. So you get 2, and you get a medium-sized piece of string and tie it to a top of one and a bottom of one. And oh wait, you need a basket with holes in it. Or get a basket and make a hole in it. So you see that I have the string tied up to the bottom of that and popped up in this, and then I have lots and lots of seaweed. It's really bird heaven. Oh yeah, and this also probably will work on squirrels if you have squirrels. I really don't really want it to work on squirrels, but probably will. Oh yeah, this is how it works. Pretend bird. Bird, bird, bird. Trap.